What's up you guys, this is your friend Glam girl Megha. Today I'm here with you to share the festive makeup tutorial. Festivals are just around the corner and they have actually started. I'm a little late to share the makeup tutorial, but nevertheless we are going to do that today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Already prepped my skin, guys. Let's start with the primer. I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty highlighter and primer base. This can be also used as a stroke cream, and also it can work as a moisturizer. I'm going to use this today because we need all the glow for this look. Just wait for some seconds to apply the foundation. Then I'm going to use my favorite foundation, that is from Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 330 Toffee, and I'll take good 2 pumps of this. I will use my foundation brush full pack. Then I use the Swiss Beauty concealer. I'm in the shade 01. Banana powder from the Wet n Wild. This thing. I just bake it under my hands. We keep it like this till we do our eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette in Velvet Rose. This is one of my favorite palette, everyday palette, and I'm going to take this burnt orangish color. I'll start blending it. Take it in the crease, and then you have to blend till I get the desired color. I'll take a little bit of brown as well. I'll also take this dark brown color to deepen this. A very light hand we are doing it. Create a depth. Again take it. I'm just happy with this. I'll just do the other and I'll be right back. So this is that's it I'm going to do, and later I'll just clean this area a little bit with this light shade. I'm going to use glitter. This is the Swiss Beauty glitter, and what's the shade name? I'll just check. This Rose Gold Retro in the shade 05. It's a beautiful glitter. It's applied all over my lid. So you see, this is beautiful. I'll apply it all over my lid, half of my lid. Let's do it full. It's a beautiful shade. We will just blend this with a brush. We'll just blend this. Hope you can see this. So this is the eyes guys. So now let's focus on the lower lash line. I'll take the same orange in this color and on my lower lash line. How to connect this with the I'm just taking it halfway. It. We'll apply a good kajal. I'm taking the Maybelline one. And then we'll smudge this a little bit. Let's apply it on this side. Next, I'll do the other back. I'll just stick this together. And let's do the mascara. Apply a good coat of mascara. And I don't use falsies, so this is a savior for my look. Let's do the eyebrows. This is the usual thing. Using the mascara pencil. Just powder my face with the Maybelline Fit Me again in Toffee shade 330. I just powder it very lightly. And if you want, you can do contouring. I'm not a big fan of contouring. And I'm going to use my favorite blush. This is from Swiss Beauty. It's in the shade 05 Deep Pink. It's very pigmented, so be very careful. Also, you can add a little bit of, I don't have a peach blush, but I have a peach eyeshadow palette. You can use this shadow, the blonde color. Match my eye look. Shadows are really pigmented, to build at a time. with this, and let's clean the brow bone. Let's take a golden shade, applying it on my brow bone. Also, I'll apply it. I'll take this finger. In the corners. So I'm happy with this look. Let's apply a good red or maroon lipstick. I'm going to apply MAC lipstick, and this is in the shade Carnivorous. It's a beautiful maroonish kind of a shade. Very pigmented. If you want, you can tone down this look by wearing a lighter shade. However, I would love to wear bright colors, especially during festivals. So I'm wearing this. So this is setting spray. I'm going to use today the Inside Cosmetics setting spray. Take a good shower in it. And wait for it to dry. You can also use a beauty blender. I'll just wait for it to dry before I apply my concealer, before I apply my highlighter. And today I'm going to use a new highlighter. This is from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade 01. This is a highlighter palette that I bought recently, and I am in love with this. You can see the shades. They are so beautiful. They are so beautiful. I'll just take this brush. I'm going to use this shade. It's a golden shade, and it's very pigmented. Just take it. Rest of the excess. Goes it on the highest point of your cheekbone, the usual areas wherever you want the light should be focusing on you. Take it here, tip of my nose, keep it slow. Can you see that? Love this glow. If you're looking for an affordable palette, you're going to get good 4 pans, and the colors are beautiful. I'll just swatch this for you. Can you see that? This will be best for the dusky skin girls like me. So that's it. Hope you all like this. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and get ready. So this is the final look, guys. I have wore a nut, windy choker necklace and earrings, and a little bit of red and green bangles, and a beautiful peach color sari which has pearls, so I matched my choker as well with the pearls. So this is the look. Hope you like it. Do let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about it, and wish you happy festival guys. And if you have liked the video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you in my next video.